Hi, my name is Miss Lindsay Bloomster, and I will be the elementary STEM teacher this year. So I just graduated with my teaching certificate, but I did do my student teaching placement at the elementary school last semester. So it's so nice to be back in the building and see all these familiar faces. I originally have my undergraduate degree in environmental science and biology. So, about our STEM class, STEM is science, technology, engineering, and math. So, this will be a project based class where students will really develop those critical thinking skills that are needed for all the new STEM careers that are up and coming. So, in this course, we will look at different types of engineers, different branches of science, how those all relate to each other. We will use that engineering design process to build, discover, create, find solutions to different problems. So it's really hands on and we'll really work on that different type of learning every week. So our classroom, the students won't be coming to my STEM classroom, but I will be going to each classroom to work with the students. So I'll have my little cart with all of our materials. So when I'm in the classroom, some expectations that I have are that we are prepared and that we're ready to go when I get in there, since we don't have so much time to get everything finished. Also, respect. So, respect for myself, respect for your classmates, and respect for the materials we're using. So, please use them how they are intended to be used and use them accordingly. Another thing that's really huge in STEM is to always come with a positive attitude and try your best. So, a big part of STEM is actually failing and making mistakes. We have created some of our best products through mistakes. So, just know that the first time you build something or create something, it may not be perfect and you might have to go back and make changes, but that's okay. And it's okay to have something not work. So, just remember that and always keep trying, and that'll be a great year for us. So I'm really looking forward to working with everyone and seeing all of your faces soon.